Okay, so hi guys, we're back with another video. We just got done with our CVS module. We just came back from our Friday prayers.
Pretty bad.
Yeah, it went pretty bad. We didn't do enough past papers. Okay, so today was our CVS module. CVS stands for cardiovascular.
Cardiology.
Yeah, cardiology. And then our module is today, and then from today till the 29th we have our preparation leave. And then on the 30th we have our semester exams. So
20 days, 4 modules.
to study for. So yeah, we're screwed. Yeah. So like okay, I'm sure you guys don't understand what modules are, and I'm sure you guys don't understand all of
Chote
this yet.
paper.
Yeah.
Chote paper ही बड़े होते हैं.
Yeah. So okay, so we'll like explain all of this.
Yeah. If you want to.
If you guys are
really
interested,
tell us.
we could like I know start vlogging what MBBS is like. I think we could start doing that. And just briefly explain you what our life is like, what our study is like, how we study, and all of that. If you guys are interested, we do try to study. That is. Okay, so yeah, it depends on your response. So if you guys are interested, leave it in the comment section below,
Tell us.
and do tell us. Like you guys aren't giving us the response we want. Yeah. So yeah, okay. What are we gonna discuss today?
I think let's discuss the Arkan क्योंकि बहुत questions आ रहे हैं
Yeah.
Arkan से related. And before we discuss it, let's just tell them we have this video on Arkan.
It's a 10-minute plus video,
16 minutes.
60-minute video on Khan,
And it's
on
just
the
on
whole
the
test. Yeah. So do watch that before bombarding us with new questions. Like you guys like watch that. That's very well explained by Lisa Tariq. She's a student from AKU, so make sure to watch that. And yeah.
बाकी interview की बात, so we'll definitely discuss it. Don't worry about it. First give the test.
Yeah, you guys are worried about the interview when you guys didn't even give the test yet. First give the test and then worry about the interview. So yeah, so this video will be about the Khan test.
Yeah.
So see you in a bit. Okay, so hi guys, we're back again.
Second time in this video.
Yeah, second time in this video we're back again. So yeah, in this
Let's
video,
just quickly talk about it. Let's just give it an overview.
an overview on what you guys have to do.
Detail में देखना है, so
Watch the 60-minute video. In the comment description section below, we're gonna be leaving the AKU website because there was a question asking us what the syllabus is. It's on the website. We'll drop the website link in the description below, and there's this blog I would recommend reading.
Yeah.
That's gonna be in the
Even
description.
last video में भी वो description डाला था.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys saw it, so
Do check it out.
do check it out.
Along with that, we're gonna drop the link of the 16-minute video on the AKU test in the description below. So do watch that, and then watch this as well.
Okay.
So tip number 1.
I think the concepts.
Yes. So whether you're from A levels or whether you're from FSC board, one thing's clear: your concept has to be amazing. Okay.
Yeah. Concept नहीं तो कुछ नहीं.
Yeah. So the AKU people, they know they're catering for A level students and FSC students. So they're not gonna make it only for A levels. And they're not gonna only make it for FSC. But they're gonna make the paper really conceptual to test both of you. They want the smartest of the smartest, and only smart people have concepts. So if you wanna get into AKU, be smart and get concepts.
Director and rote learning आपको इधर तक ले आया होगा maybe, लेकिन
Abhi ke liye, you're gonna need
हाँ.
concept.
Gonna find the AQ test really hard if you are relying on your memorization skills.
Yeah. So focus on your concepts. Okay. So how do you focus on your concept? That's a very good question. That's gonna lead us to our point 2: the right books to use to build your concepts. So tip number 2 is the right books to use.
Firstly, तो I think जो इनकी course books हैं,
Yes.
A levels, FSC, Federal Board जो भी हैं.
Read your own books
Yeah.
first. Build your concepts. Okay. After reading your concepts, you're gonna be like, okay, how do I know whether my concepts are good enough? Right?
Yeah.
So there's this book, question book.
डोगरसन से एक आती है, क्वेश्चन बैंक्स आते हैं उसके, डोगरसन, फरीदसन वगैरह के. So if you want to try that, do try those. Easily available in market में. You can get it anywhere.
Do those, test your, see if your concept's good enough, see if you can answer it.
Yeah.
And yeah.
And see if you can answer it, not look into their
Answers.
answer sheets वगैरह, क्योंकि अक्सर उधर गलती होती है. Rely on your own knowledge.
Yeah, so focus on your concepts. And those books are available from every major bookstores in Karachi, like the Tariq bookstore.
Yeah. Okay. Also,
These SAT 2 books. Okay, let me explain SAT 2. So A-levels you have on one side, FSC Inter you have on the other side. SAT 2 is the thing in the middle. It's the bridge between them. If you do SAT 2 books, you cover a little bit of A-levels and you cover a little bit of FSC. Because logically speaking, covering the whole of A-levels or FSC 2 years worth of course in a month is impossible. So SAT 2 books is something you can do. Okay, the good thing about SAT 2 books is that they have questions at the end of every chapter and they have practice tests. So do those to test your own concepts. Read it.
ज़्यादा questions करेंगे उतना you'll get better.
Yeah, the more questions you do, the better it is for you. So do that.
Yeah, that's it.
And wait, another thing. You guys ask which books? Barron's, Princeton, Kaplan. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Just do whatever is available and just do the questions.
Yeah.
Okay, no recommendations. I did Barron's, but I wouldn't recommend. It doesn't matter. Just do whatever you think is whatever is available and practice.
So I think let's wrap this up.
Yeah, so
yeah.
this is the video for today.
This is just the overview जो आप questions पूछ रहे थे. For details, again, we would say go watch the 16-minute video. The link will be in the description below.
And most importantly, study. Do not
Yeah,
procrastinate, guys.
Utilize each and every bit of time you have. It's precious.
Yeah, so see you next time.